Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and insights. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the world of powerful compressed air dusters. If you're tired of dealing with dust and dirt in your electronics, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's explore. First things first, this compressed air duster isn't your ordinary cleaning tool. It packs a punch with 3 adjustable wind speeds, giving you extra strong airflow for deep cleaning. Turning it on is a breeze. Just press and hold for 3 seconds. Plus, there's a built-in LED light that illuminates your cleaning area, making sure you don't miss a spot. Now, let's talk about what makes this air duster tick. Inside, you'll find a powerful blower spinning at a mind-blowing 95,000 RPM. That's designed to tackle even the tiniest dust particles. Say goodbye to the hassle of hard-to-clean dust. This air duster is not only effective but energy efficient, giving you a longer-lasting cleaning solution. Here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just an air duster, it's a 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse. It comes with various nozzles, brushes, and even a vacuum cup. Whether you're cleaning your computer, keyboard, car, or doing household chores, this versatile tool has got you covered. It reaches those tricky corners and tight spots with ease. Using this compressed air duster is a piece of cake. Hold the button for 3 seconds to power it on, and the LED light automatically comes to life. You can easily switch between 3 different wind speeds with a short press of the switch. Plus, it's designed with circuit protection. After use, it's recommended to wait for the temperature to drop before recharging, ensuring it's ready for your next cleaning session. Now, here's the cherry on top. This air duster is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, and the green light indicates a full charge. Say goodbye to single-use compressed air cans. This duster can be used multiple times, reducing waste and saving you money. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for homes, offices, and cars. In conclusion, this powerful compressed air duster is a game-changer when it comes to keeping your electronics and surroundings clean. It's powerful, versatile, and eco-friendly. If you have any questions about how to use it or want to learn more, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and solutions. I'm your host, signing off. Happy cleaning! Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech savvy.